Hi, my name is Abigail Garcia, food engineer, and today I'm going to talk about FBK Mexico. We started operations in 2006, representing two of the most important companies worldwide in hygiene and food safety. FBK ApS, based in Denmark and with more than 3 centuries of experience, as well as PROHACCP from Poland, focused on the supplying products that contribute to improving food safety practices. Thanks to the support of these companies, we have quickly positioned ourselves as industry leaders in Mexico, characterized by personalized customer service, the largest stock of cleaning products, and a fast and efficient delivery service. In addition to this, we are the best allies of the most important companies, food, beverage, pharmaceutical, and chemical industries, among others. That is why we have become the perfect consultants to make your hygiene and cleaning processes more efficient. One of the greatest advantages that you can find with us are the 11 colors that allow a coating in the floors, which includes items such as shovels, squeegees, one-piece handles, extensions, and water passage with multiple sizes. As if that were not enough, we have at your disposal products that can be found by metal detectors and X-rays, which will help you reduce the risk of food contamination by foreign bodies. Remember that cleanliness, safety, and hygiene are as important to you as they are to FBK Mexico. If you want to know more and stay informed, follow us until next time.